I have 3 more tips. We're gonna try first the pink, then the cotton candy, and then my secret nail affair. And this time we're gonna do the Grand Champion white. So let's get started. I hate these containers. I really hate them. They spill as soon as you open them, and then they get slippery with your gloves, and you don't want to touch the product without gloves on. But they get so slippery you can't like even pick it up. It's hard to. I don't like them. All right. So here's the powder. Let's not spill it, Nikki. The white powder. And again, the first monomer we're trying is the Pink Magic Fast Dry. Do it the same way I did all the other ones. I sped up the video from here so it wouldn't be so long. I'm trying to make this video a little bit shorter. So this powder is called Grand Champion White, and I'm using it first with the Fast Dry Pink Magic Monomer, and again I had to keep it really wet. It did work better than the Princess Pink. It wasn't as bad as that at all. I was at least able to work with this powder. I did have to work fast, and I did have to keep it extremely wet, but I was able to work with it. The Fast Dry Pink Magic Monomer, again, changed the color of it to this purple color, and it's hard to pick up on camera, but it kind of looks blotchy in real life. Like I can see like blotches of purple in it. It doesn't look good at all. I am not by any means an expert at applying acrylic. I know my application's not all that great, but I still really struggled with this. Even with the monomer I'm used to when I use Secret Nail Affair, I couldn't like work the product the way I normally can. Normally I'm able to do an acrylic application and it looks alright, but not with these powders and this monomer. Here I am now using the cotton candy monomer, and again it was the same thing. I don't really find much of a difference, if I'm being honest, between the cotton candy and the Pink Magic, other than the Pink Magic changes the color. I felt like it was drying pretty much the same with this powder and the last one, so I'm not really sure about that. I really don't like the Pink Magic Fast Dry because it changes the color, and even the cotton candy one here, you can see it in the end, it gives it a little bit of a purpley hue compared to like the Secret Nail Affair monomer, and where it's just bright white. Here I'm using the Secret Nail Affair, and again you can tell my application is a little bit better with this, but it's still not all that great. So like I said, maybe this powder would be good for flowers, maybe it would be better for somebody else, but me personally, I struggled with it. So I'm going to finish up showing you guys here, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm all done with the application now. I'm going to put them all together and show you just how purple they are. So this was the Grand Champion White. I will, in my next video, I'm going to give my thoughts about the company and the products on these 3, and I'll also show you the swatches from the acrylics I got from the Scoops. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.